Today
is the great day on the part of myself, Shri T.C. Das, National Coordinator, Silkas Department AICC, that I have been appointed as the coordinator to look after the interest of the Congress Party, particularly the Silkas Department in Tripura, Agartala, along with the other states. It is a great pleasure on my part that I have got all my friends, office bearers of the Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee, as well as the district, block and other honorable members. Those are taking part in this meeting. I am optimistic that we all unitedly be able to spread the ideology of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, Indian Constitution, as well as the ideology of Congress Party, who has rendered their best services during the year 140 years till now. An aim and object of Rahulji is that the BJP and RSS-led government has destroyed the image of the Indian Constitution and trying to establish all the clauses of the Indian Constitution. Aim and object of Congress Party is that the Indian Constitution is the head of all religions, everything else, and where being the Congress person have to implement in India, and where to get rid from the problems arisen by the RSS and BJP-led government. They are doing their best to offer all these things to the corporate groups. The corporate groups, in a sense, Ambani, Adani, what the property is there, they would like to give them. And the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, is one of the person who is doing against the Constitution, and what he is telling and doing unlikely in as per advice of the RSS. ये जो हमारा संविधान है, संविधान में already has declared ourselves that the people of India have the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This ideology is going to be collapsed by the government of India, headed by RSS and BJP. And we today, being the coordinator of the Silkas Department of AICC, would like to request all our Pradesh Congress Committee office bearer to restore justice for the upliftment of the Constitution, to implementation of the Constitution for the upliftment of the people. We all know that today you have seen that one person from northeastern region has killed undemocratically in the state where BJP is ruling. It is unfortunate, and we should condemn this type of activities of the BJP-led government. I am optimistic that being the SC department, in a sense, the SC persons are the people of India equally with the other people of the nation. The monopolist thoughts of the RSS BJP dislike to give equal justice to the Dalits, Adivasi, minorities. In a sense, minorities not the Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Buddhists, all are minorities.
अन्याय अत्याचार विकास